Aveeno Soothing Moisturizing Cream at Menthol 200 ml. Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. Menthol gives you extra treatment for dry, flaking, or irritated skin. The oat proteins it contains work to lock in moisture, and menthol works to cool and soothe the skin. This product is non-greasy and is effective for 24 hours. Avon Moisture Therapy Intensive Healing and Repair Extra Strength. 24-hour moisturization for extra dry skin. Relieves the itching, redness, and roughness of severely dry skin. With hydroprotective technology. Significantly reduces moisture loss to help your skin retain its own natural moisture. Fragrance-free. Dermatologist-tested. Hypoallergenic. 5.3 ounces net WT. It works best. Natural Stretch Mark Scar Removal Cream. All natural relief from stretch marks, discoloration, and dryness. Stretch marks are one of the most common skin complaints among women. They may be the result of maternity, a growth spurt, or obesity stretching skin to its limit. If you find stretch marks on your body to be unsightly, Royal Dead Sea Minerals Stretch Mark Cream can diminish their appearance while toning skin and improving its luster. The proprietary blend of Dead Sea Minerals and 14 essential oils is hypoallergenic, gentle on sensitive skin and free of parabens and phthalates. Safe to use following weight loss and during any stage of pregnancy. The moisturizing formula uses rosemary, lemon, capsicum, lavender, avocado calendula, and tea tree essential oils, plus 7 other ingredients to initiate reparative processes of damaged skin. Powerful antioxidant and antimicrobial properties inhibit bacteria to stimulate healing and reduce visibility of scars. Royal Dead Sea Minerals Stretch Mark Cream goes on smooth without greasiness, and aids in water retention to encourage soft, supple skin that fills in lines and wrinkles. This promotes blood flow to skin cells to effect cellular repair and replacement. The result is improved luster of tired, dull-looking skin and more attractive overall skin tone. Yours to try, risk-free, for 60 days with Royal Sea. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Add the Dead Sea Minerals Stretch Mark Cream to your daily beauty regimen. If you are not delighted with the rejuvenating effects it has on stretch marks and scars, return it for a no-hassle 100% refund of your purchase price. To reduce the appearance of stretch marks and improve skin resiliency, add Royal Dead Sea Minerals Stretch Mark Cream to your cart today. Bee Balm Cream Moisturizer, Frankincense and Myrrh, 4 ounces. Rich and moisturizing. The natural frankincense and myrrh bee balm cream nourishes and hydrates, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and imparting moisture to dry, chapped, cracked and irritated skin without clogging pores and leaving the skin soft and radiant. Pure Ohio beeswax and extra virgin olive oil provide the deep moisture your skin longs for. Aromatic therapeutic grade essential oils of frankincense and myrrh are naturally stimulating to the senses and promote clear skin. These popular oils have long been associated with royalty and the birth of Jesus Christ. Goopsie Face Food Luxurious Face Oil Blend Lavender. The lavender face food is everything you need to keep your face feeling fresh. A base of the moisturizing virgin face food and a swirl of true lavender essence to add soothing aromatherapy benefits. Apply and relax in the tranquil essence of this sensational herbal floral note. It's like a trip to the fields in Provence with the added benefit of beautiful skin. Using the right cleanser is important to maintaining the health of your skin, but it also needs to be nourished and protected long after you step away from the bathroom mirror. The revolutionary face food gives you the added moisture and vitamins your skin craves in a convenient dropper bottle. Simply apply a few drops in the morning and evening and enjoy the feel of fresh, dewy skin anytime. Marula and moringa oils join organic argan and golden jojoba oils for a supremely indulgent blend that will feel as beautiful as you'll look. Why settle for harsh creams and lotions, laden with artificial scents, when you can get back to nature and actually enjoy your skincare routine? Try the face food and experience the difference organic ingredients and premium skincare can make. Moisture Activate Cream Moisturizing, Oil Water Balanced, Soothing. For all skin types, for dry skins. Contains whitening moisture capsules in gel base, improves skin tone and makes skin glow. Main ingredients: improving wrinkles, adenosine moisturization, oat extract nourishing skin, arnica montana extract. The moisture capsules in the formula create glowing skin. Avocado oil rich in protein, amino acid, and vitamins in the moisture capsules offers richly moisturizing effects and instantly adds illuminating light on skin. Nourishes and protects dry skin. Superfood oat extract supplies skin with an abundance of moisture and various nutrients. Offers adequately balanced moisturizing power even in oily skin. The 1960 New York Moisture Activate Cream not only offers adequate moisturizing power to maintain balanced skin but also makes skin glow with a healthy look. Firming care for skin without any trace of time. In addition to the function of smoothing uneven skin texture, adenosine, the Korean FDA-approved ingredient to improve wrinkles, treats both fine and deep-set wrinkles, improving the overall appearance of wrinkles in skin. The 1960 New York Moisture Activate Cream is recommended for concerns like: I concerned about my sensitive skin. My skin is too dry and dehydrated. I want both moisture care and wrinkle care. I want to balance oil and water in my skin. I want to have smooth, soft skin texture. 5 free ingredient: paraben, mineral oil, benzophenone, propylene glycol, triethanolamine. Water Bank Moisture Cream X Special Set 4 PCS. Water Bank Moisture Cream Special 4 PCS Set. Chamberlain Golden Touch Lotion Original Moisturizer 8.75 ounces. I have been using Chamberlain's lotion since I was a child. Approx 65 YRS. My mother used it all of her adult life. It is a favorite gift amongst the relatives. My dad used it as a aftershave, and my brothers to cure chapped hands in the winter. I would not feel fully awake without the refreshing splash of Golden Touch on my face every morning. I use it on my hands every time I wash and on my arms and legs in the morning. I am constantly told I don't look 72 YRS. I believe it is my daily use of Golden Touch. I think it's the glycerin in it that helps keep my skin youthful. Love it, need it. Cetaphil Fragrance-Free Moisturizing Lotion, 16 fluid ounce. Cetaphil Fragrance-Free Moisturizing Lotion, 16 fluid ounce. DML Moisturizing Lotion 16 ounces. DML Moisturizing Lotion 16 ounces. OK Shea Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo, 12 ounces. OK Shea Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo 12 ounces. Revitalizes hair. Adds moisture to dry damaged strands. Leaves hair feeling soft, smooth, and healthy.